to actual production time, how long that would be, and I am super impressed with our supplier because I mean it's barely been well, it's been about 3 weeks. So I mean that's really good when you're saying that, you know, you're talking about you're creating the design, you know, and then you have to market, of course, your design, and then your design, you know, it goes into production. I wish I had a manufacturing company or something, but I don't. But I'm impressed. They look wonderful. They feel freaking good. They just look amazing. They just really just look amazing. So, needless to say, you guys already know these are available on Mrs. Rich and Rich Home Opportunities .shop. I did my little what do I want to call it? My attempt at streaming. I'm gonna get better because it's not my first attempt. It won't be my last attempt. So we were doing our the Institute of Preservation of African American in Music and Arts, and I had these rush ordered, you know, but there was no rush order basically. So we'll figure out that kink because I know it's getting ready to be some folks are going to be like, I need it in a week or whatever. And so I'm telling you already that I'm going to look into it to see if that's a possibility. But just remember that we're not the manufacturing company. So, you know, they go by the same thing that every other business go by. Do you have enough staff? Do you have personnel? Is there anything, you know, going on with equipment? And then shipping, guys, I'm telling you right now, shipping sometimes can be, you know, we can tell you what we can project, but if there's something that's going on, the priority for the United States is to make sure that we get in the medical and food supplies and, you know, anything that's essential basically. So those are the priorities, but they look great, guys. I actually got this in a size 8 for myself. Just because, you know, in the wintertime, which I know I'm going to be wearing these, I just can put, you know, you can always put socks in it or double socks. For ladies, if you know that you're going to do a guy shoe or anything like that, try to go, like I'm normally like a 7.5 wide. And so with the guys, I try to do 7. 7 is a little bit big, so I already kind of know that. And then you know, probably like a 6, 6.5 if they're making them, then, you know, that's the route that I would go with these. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go back into my design and I'm going to see what those shoe sizes are, because I want to make sure that we have the 6 to 6.5, you know, because I want to make sure that we get our ladies in, and it's really a cool shoe. And so I know you guys wanted me to try to do like the kid shoe. I haven't done that yet. I'm still researching it, but I did do one for the ladies. Those are on Mrs. Rich and Rich Home Opportunities .shop also. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you guys a little bit later, and have a good and blessed rest of your Saturday, and stay safe.